Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today's Friday. We're gonna do some self-care. I know recently I uploaded a video about me doing my morning routine, and this morning I wanted to go into depth and I wanted to make another video for you guys and show you some other steps that you can take to keep your skin looking youthful, right? Today's Friday. Happy Friday. The month is almost over. Let's get to the video. First off, I'm gonna use this anti-aging retinol face mask. It says infused to help improve the appearance of wrinkles for age-defying results. Hydrates and renew delicate skin. Skin nourishing extract, no water needed. It's one mask. I purchased this at TJ Maxx. You can get you one at TJ Maxx or something better, or eat the same thing, right? Or get you one. All right, it looks like so out of the packaging. So I'm gonna apply this on. Oh, it's cold. Oh God, it's cold. It's so cold. I should have warmed it up, put some warm water on it. Okay. Alright, it says in the instruction, leave it for 20 and 30 minutes. I'm gonna do so. We'll be right. Using my steamer along with my mask. Steamer from Amazon. I was trimming my eyebrows, and I guess I went too hard on my skin. I've heard before when you use the steamer on your face along with a mask or whichever product, it helps penetrate your pores, your skin. It the steam opens up your pores. Therefore, it helps you absorb the product better, and I guess you get more of a positive effect on your skin. All right. Now, so I rinsed my face off. Now, I had created a video, 2 videos prior, should be below this one, where I purchased a few products at Dollar Tree. I've been using this. I believe this is a dupe for something, right? So I've been using it. Nothing special. If you are on a budget and you're looking for some form of a cleanser for your skin, this is a cleanser. I'm gonna use that right now. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have any scent to it. It's just a plain cleanser. So I've been using it since I've purchased it, so I don't have any complaint. So I guess it does. Okay, now my face is all clean and all cleaned up. Okay, this is a brightening toner pad from Global Beauty Care from the Dollar Tree, which I purchased. I've been using it. I'm not seeing any difference, and that was the last one. Maybe I need more, but anyway, I'm gonna use it. If you have anything other than this, you can use something else. So this is what I'm gonna use. It doesn't have any alcohol per se to strip the skin of its natural oil. It doesn't have that, but I'm not sure what it does. You may not see the difference. I mean, but I'm not sure what it does. But it didn't break out my skin or anything. I still see some of my my dark spot there, so I do have another toner that I'm gonna use. All right, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will put it on the screen for you. It's good for the skin. I purchased this at TJ Maxx. See, I put a dent in it. I mean, it's halfway. I've been using it, so I'm gonna use it with my cotton ball. It's alcohol free. Hyaluronic. Is it hyaluronic? I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's good for the skin. It's give it elasticity. It provides moisture. Nowadays, a lot of the facial toners and serum, all of these are infused with this acid. Hyaluronic acid, retinol, all good for the skin. Voila! Okay. This is a serum brightening. It brightens the skin. It's infused with vitamin C, and it is from Precision Beauty, also from TJ Maxx. Okay. I got me a few pumps. When I use this product, I feel like my skin feels so rejuvenated and smooth and hydrated. That's one. And another one, this one is infused as well with vitamin C. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that name. Okay. I'm gonna put it on the screen. There you go. Okay, all for the skin, all from TJ Maxx. Very affordable. It has a pump in there. That's it. I think I have enough for today. It glides on very nicely, makes your skin feel so smooth. All right, you see the hydration? Can we see the hydration? Can we see it? Sorry guys, I was too close because I'm so excited. All right, can we see the hydration here? Can we see the hydration, right? And then now my next step is going to be, I have another one though. I've used this before, collagen and aloe. I've used this before on camera, so I'm gonna apply. Listen, I'm gonna just pack it on today, because some days I don't have the time. See, this one is almost gone. Almost done. I think that's enough for my face, right? Here we go. 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 All right. then I'm gonna let this absorb. Wait a few minutes to apply my moisturizer. Alrighty, and also I do have, but is this for the night? I do have a serum. It's kind of oily based with retinol also that I use at night when I remember, and my skin feels great in the morning. All right. So good old Faithful Pond, right? The regular one with the blue top. So we're gonna use this today. We're not gonna put a lot because the face is already moist, has a lot of moisture. I had some white fuzz on my skin before. I used a towel to dry my skin. I guess that's what happened. I don't know, can you see the moisture now? Can we see the moisture? We cannot have a moisturized face with a crusty lips, huh? We can do that. We gotta take care of them lips too. Because why? They are part of the face. Okay. So that's it, guys. So as you can tell, my skin is well moisturized. You know, well moisturized. All I've used are regular products. I would say not regular product, but regular products, not too costly. Basically, most of them from TJ Maxx or what's the other name? TJ Maxx. I used products from a couple of products from the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, mainly TJ Maxx. This was from TJ Maxx. Yeah, so it doesn't take a lot for you to take care of your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by.